Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add WhatsApp chat button in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor and we are going to add app. On left side you see add apps. So click on it. So we are in add apps and then we are using this WhatsApp chat button. So click on it. So you can search this also. So this is our name, WhatsApp and chat button. And then you see add to site. So click on it. And then you see adding WhatsApp and chat button. We'll allow it to. You see multiple option and then click on agree and add. So we are in dashboard. Welcome abroad. Now you see. So you can add first name, last name and password. And then click on let's get started. So we are in dashboard. And then you see free plan. So we are using free plan. So click on it. If you want, you can choose any plan, so it's up to you. And then you see new widget, so you can add widget name and this is our domain. So we added name and then you see start creating, so click on it. And then you see select channel, widget customization, trigger and targeting, add live chat. You see multiple option. So you can add widget name. So we added WhatsApp chat, so you can add name according to requirement. And then you see WhatsApp phone. So you can select channel according to requirement. So we select WhatsApp only. If you want, you can enable or select phone also. So you can add your number and then you see enable WhatsApp chat widget. Yes. So you can add your number. So you can select your country code and then you can add your number and then you see test button. So click on it. Now you see chat on WhatsApp with this number. So working correctly. Now close. Now you see WhatsApp test and then you see message. If you want, you can edit number or correct, so it's up to you. And then you see message. How can I help you? So this is a preview. So you can add customization message according to requirement. And then you see open the chat widget on page load. If you want, you can open it. It's mean when user visit your page, then this chat appear auto. So it's up to you. And then you see adding. Let's chat on WhatsApp. Now you see. So you can add your nickname, WebTask. Now you see we added our nickname, WebTask appear here. If you want, you can add your profile image and then text input placeholder. So write a message. Now you see write your message placeholder. Show on both desktop and mobile. If you want, you can enable or disable according to requirement. And then you see setting, add agent. If you want to use this function, then you can upgrade now. Now you see settings, so click on it. Icon background, so you can select icon background according to requirement. And then you see WhatsApp web. Use WhatsApp web directly on desktop, enable. If you want, you can upload custom image. So this is a pro feature. If you upgrade this plan, then you can use this feature, so it's up to you. So you can do setting according to requirement. And then you see custom channel. So this is our preview for WhatsApp chat. And this is our mobile preview. Now you see desktop. So we are going to add live chat, so click on it. Now you see add chatway live chat widget to your website. So click on add live chat. If you want to add live chat and WhatsApp chatway, so you can use this feature, so it's up to you. Now you see enter the installation code of your existing chatway account. If you want, you can add it. Now close. So you can do setting according to requirement. And then you see widget customization, so click on it. Now you see simple view, chat view. So we are using free version. So we select simple view, widget color, left, right, custom position. So we select right, horizontal, vertical. Click to open. Attention effect. Upgrade version we need. Widget icon, now you see. Call to action text. Contact us, family. Widget size. Hide after first click. So you can do setting according to requirement. And then click on trigger and targeting. So click on it. Now you see step 3. Trigger active. Display after 0 second. Display after 25% on page. So it's up to you. Targeting rule. Add rule. Show. Select rule. If you want, you can display it on specific page. So it's up to you. So you can create or generate rule according to requirement. So we are going to delete it. Remaining pro feature. Now you see add live chat. So click on it. If you want, you can add live chat. If you want, you can add live chat. Now you see enter the installation code of your existing chatway account, your chatway code, and then click on add. And if you want, you can skip this step by saving the widget. So click on save widget. Now you see widget updated. go to website or back to dashboard, go to website. So we are in website and then you see contact us, WhatsApp. So click on it. Now you see message, how can I help you? So you can respond. And then when you added message, then redirect to WhatsApp. Now back to website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.